You don't have summer plans yet? Oh my gosh, I got a trip for you.
You should go cruising with the Colemans.
Oh gosh. More importantly, you should come to Italy with us.
Oh my gosh, Italy. We've got some really good reasons why you should go to Italy with us.
Yeah, so we're just going to give you the top couple of reasons why you should come with us to Italy. Number one, a great walking vacation.
It is gorgeous.
We're going to walk from Greccio to Rome on an ancient pilgrimage called the Way of St. Francis or the Via di Francesco. If you were watching our videos last year, you saw we went from Florence to Assisi, which was really hard. This summer, we're going to the easier part.
It is easier.
It's going to be flatter. It's going to challenge you, but also give you views that you will not get anywhere else.
So Michelle thinks that the landscape is the best reason, but you know me well enough to know. For me, it's all about the food, baby. It's Italy. The food will exceed all of your expectations, because let me tell you what, this is not Olive Garden.
Yeah, I'll eat, pray, love with you all the way through. I'm all in it for the landscape and I'm in it for the food. Of course I am.
We're gonna have risotto. We're gonna have gnocchi. We're gonna have polenta. And of course, we're gonna have pizza and pasta.
No, most importantly, we're gonna do a cooking class. And so at that cooking class, we are gonna make ravioli. We're gonna make potato gnocchi and a little flair from Sicily. We're gonna make some cannoli. And then in addition to that, if you join us for the supplemental day, we're gonna do a walking food tour where you get to see a local neighborhood and learn about why their food is so important.
The other great reason you should come with us is the last 3 days of the trip. We are spending 3 days in Rome. We are gonna show you all of our favorite places in Rome, including, of course, things like the Sistine Chapel and the Colosseum, but the food tours that Michelle mentioned, and we've got a few surprises up our sleeves for you too.
I'm gonna watch you throw a euro over your shoulder into the Trevi Fountain, and that way you're guaranteed to come back to Rome someday. Those are 3 reasons, landscape, food, and Rome, that you should come with us. And as a bonus, number 4, you get to hang out with us. Oh my gosh. He made me say it, you guys. I'm sorry. But yeah, you get to hang out with us for the trip is 16 days. You get to hang out with us, see all of this beautiful landscape, enjoy all this food, and hang out with a bunch of people that are just amazing. You're gonna have a great time. We have, are you ready for it? 2 spots left. That's it. So if you want to join us, we want to have you. We hope to see you. Join us this summer in Italy.
Hey, I want a little gnocchi.
Oh gosh.
Mwah! Mamma mia.
See you in Italy with us.